Hello children, welcome to Melu classroom. How are you all doing today? Oh, you are doing wonderful in the bright sunlight. Wow, it's very bright outside. Are you all active today? Very good. So children, always we sing songs on God, on Mama, Papa. Now today I thought, shall we sing about ourselves? Okay. Are you all ready to sing? Come on. Let's start. Okay. I am special. I am special. You will see. You will see. I am special. I am special. You will see. You will see. Someone very special. Someone very special. Because it's me. Because it's me. I am special. I am special. You will see. You will see. Someone very special. Someone very special. Because it's me. Because it's me. Yes, we are all special, isn't it? Because we are very good and we try to be very good. Yes, that's the reason I told today we sing about ourselves that we are special. Say, we are special. Yes, we are special and loving and caring. Good. So, are you all ready for today's class? Come on, show me thumbs up. Yes, we will go into our class. Children, as I told you, we are very special because we love each other and we love all. So, we are very special. So, children, today we will be knowing about how to be with our family. Okay, we should be always be good to our family. Before going to it, now tell me, what is a family? Who all will stay in our family? Yes. Who all will stay in our family? Yes. Mama, Papa, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother. We all live together, which is called a family. Yes, we all should love our family. And before that, first you need to have something to love the family. You should always be caring to your brothers and sisters, which won't trouble your parents. Okay? Yes, like this, there are some few things which you need to know to be good in our family. So, now I will tell you few things. Children, you should always share your toys or your stationery with your brother, sister or anyone who is there in your family, so that sharing will be like a caring. Yes, if you share the things with others, then it won't be tough to your parents to buy the new same things. Okay, please share your things. You should always share. Next, you should give space to others. That means whenever your brother or sister or your parents, whenever they are talking or whenever they are doing anything, you should not disturb them. You should always give them space. That means you should always give respect to their own time. Okay? Very good. Next, whenever you are playing, please give turn to others. You should not always say, I only want to play, I only want to play. You should play in a turn wise. Okay, and you always should use magic words. You know what are the magic words? Yes, there are some magic words. When you want anything from others, what I told you in our earlier classes, you should always ask, please, please, can I have? If you ask like this, the people will think, oh, he needs it, and it will be very pleasant for you. Yes, so you should always use the magic words like please. If you get anything from others, what you need to say? Yes, thank you. If mama gives you food, you know how tough it will be to cook, so serve you all. Yes, so you should always thank mama, and even I told you, you should always thank God, our parents, elders, even our sisters and brothers who give us something or who stay with us. Okay, we should be always be thankful to them. So whenever you get anything from your parents or anyone, you should always say thank you. Come on, say thank you. And suddenly once or while we may hurt others, like when you are walking you may push accidentally someone, or when you are walking you may hit your sister. Then you need to say sorry. Or when you want to talk in between, you always need to say excuse me. What you need to say? Excuse me. And when you hurt others, what you need to say? Sorry. Children, these are the magic words which always you need to follow. Okay? Please. When we use please, come on, tell me. Yes, when we want anything from others, what you need to say? Please. And next, yes, when you get anything from others, what you will say? Thank you. When we get anything from others, we say thank you. Next comes what? Yes, sorry. When we will say sorry, knowingly we should not hurt others. When you hurt anyone unknowingly, you should always say sorry. And when you want to talk in the middle, what you say? Excuse me, and you can talk then. Okay, when they give yes, you can talk. If anybody says, then you should talk. So, please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. These are all the magic words. And one more thing, friends, you should always greet people around you. That means when you woke up in the morning, you need to give a big smile and say, good morning, mommy, good morning, daddy. Yes, you should always greet them. Your bright big smile will start a happy day in our house, isn't it? Yes, come on, say, good morning, mommy, good morning, daddy, which makes them smile. So, greetings are always important. Good morning, good night before you are going to sleep. So, always you should love to speak politely. Be honest on the things. Honest is nothing but when mama asks, did you do your homework? You should always say, if you have done it, you should say, I did, mommy. If you did not do, you can say, no, mommy, I did not do homework. Or if you take anything from your brother, sister, you should not hide it. Okay? These all things make us happy in the family. Okay? Yes. Caring, trust, magic words, greetings, and caring about the young ones like our sister, brother, and you should always take care of your grandparents. Yes, you should always take care of your grandparents, which makes them very happy. You can walk with them in the evening time. Okay? This all makes us to be good in the family. Okay? So now let's go into our course book and see what is there. Okay? So it's not only what you say, it's also how you say it. As I told you, you should always be polite. The politeness comes when we use magic words like sorry, please, thank you, excuse me. With a big smile, if you say anything, it will matter a lot. So it's not only what you say, it's also how you say. Okay, children? Please use please when you ask anything, when you want anything, and thank you the members in your family who are along with you. Okay, children? Do what you say you will do. So when you say that I will do homework or I will play, do what you say. Don't go anywhere. Okay? If we all do one random act of kindness daily, you just might cite the words in the right direction. Bah, it's a very big thing. Nothing, children. You should always love. Share the love with the others. It will be happy to the world. Okay, children? Here, see, a big thing is that help others to trust you. You always need to help others. As I told you, first try to help the members in your family, like putting the things in a correct place, helping mummy in the kitchen by sorting the things, and helping daddy to complete his some jobs like cleaning car and all other stuff, and stealing or lying. Children, you should not touch the belongings of others. Okay? As I told you, can I, please, these are all the terms which you can use and get the things from others. You should not lie to anyone. Okay? You should be honest. You should not lie. If you want it or if you don't want, please don't lie. Okay? Nobody will say anything. Okay? Lying is a very, very bad habit. So, as I told you, you should always smile. Yes, smile and greeting people makes the people around you happy. Okay? So, you always should wear a big smile. Come on, smile. Yes. Show respect to all. You should always respect all. Okay? You should not be very careless towards the others. You should be very respectful. Tell the truth no matter what it is. Children, the wrong things may happen with anyone. Like we may lost our pen, we may lost our pencil, we may lost something what is belonging to us. But we should not be afraid that mama or papa, anybody will say something to us. So if you tell truth, nobody will say anything. Okay? Yes. Telling truth is the most important thing. You can do it. Children, believe in yourself. You can do it. Okay? You can do your homework. You can play. You can do the new things. You can learn the new things. You can play everything what is around you. So, be confident in yourself. This all makes us to live in the family in a good manner. Be good to the family. We always should be good to our family. See, this is a beautiful family. Yes, yourself, sister, mama, papa, grandparents. And you should always take care of the pet animals. You should help them by taking care. Okay, children? This is what good family is. So now children, tell me. Yes. The first thing what I told you is sharing. Yes, you should always share the things with your siblings, that is sister and brother. And next comes, you should always take care of them. You should play in turns. You should use the magic words like please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. You should greet the people around us with a big smile. So children, these are the 5 things. Please remember them, okay? These are the 5 things which you should remember. The 5 things, the 5 is very important, okay? Which makes us to be good in the family. Come on, okay? Say, I will follow the 5. And give me high five. Yes, children, these are the 5 things which makes us to be good in the family, okay? As we all love our family, we should follow the 5 things, okay? Good. Hope you all understood today's class, okay? Okay, bye-bye. See you in the next class.